Here's how to draw Stinger Flynn from Garten of Banban. We'll start out with a circle. And then we'll draw a pupil just in the middle of the eye here. And then for the head, we'll come over here a little ways and we're gonna draw this shape that curves over the head, comes back down to this side, and then we're gonna connect this side to the other side by drawing these little U shapes. Just imagine you're just writing the letter U over and over as it slowly makes its way to the other side. One more and connect. Now we have to give him some arms. So we're going to draw a line that comes out like this. It goes up and around. And then we're going to make it a little bit thicker on the end here, then it gets skinny again, and then comes back down, following the exact same shape we just drew, tucks into the body. Now we'll come over to this side, draw a noodly arm, give the hand a little bit more thickness, and then it gets skinny again as the arm is like a spaghetti noodle, comes back into the body. Now we're going to draw some legs. So we're going to make the legs a little bit wiggly. You don't want them to be too straight. So just draw a kind of like, imagine a spaghetti noodle hanging from his body. And we're gonna give him a little foot like this. It's a really tiny little foot. And it comes back up and tucks into the body. Now we're gonna come over here and right underneath this little gap here, we're gonna draw a line that comes down following the same shape. And have the little foot. And then have the line wavy and slither back up into the body. Now come to this side and we're gonna draw lines that wave in the other direction. Comes down, and then this foot is gonna be pointing to the right. And then the line just follows the shape. Come over to this side, we'll draw the last leg. And be sure to like and subscribe for more videos, because I'm going to be drawing all of the Garten of Banban characters. And I also have some Rainbow Friend characters. So be sure to check out the channel and like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow so I can make more videos like this one.